Xenith just run their customer satisfaction survey for 2018. The main reason for doing that was to get a real understanding of what's going on with our customers and what their thoughts are of the service. So this year we had an improvement on our Net Promoter Score, which was 33, and that compares to an average in our industry of 0. So overall it is an excellent score to be receiving. I was really proud of this because the question itself is, would you recommend us to other people? So the fact that we're improving in that is a reflection on the service and my teams. In addition to that, we had an overall 90% of our customers were satisfied with the service, and 93% of customers were happy with the account management of their team. So what that means is we are understanding what's going on, we're understanding their business requirements. 94% of our customers were satisfied with the engineer's knowledge, and an additional 92% were happy with how quickly the engineers were arriving on site. Again, those are really good stats for me to see, because if you need an engineer, it's usually because the machine is down, which is impacting everyone's day-to-day jobs. So it was good to see that overall people were happy with that. There is always ways we can improve, and there's always something we can be doing better. So for example, this year, one of the key things I took from it is that we could be more knowledgeable in some of the printers that we have out in our fleet, and we will be training up our teams to ensure that they are. So when I was going through the survey, some of the standout comments that I saw, which are probably my most memorable, one was a bit of a funny one, an in-joke between an account manager and his client, and it was essentially that he should be laying off some bacon rolls. I wasn't expecting to see that one, so for me that was very amusing. And then on a more serious note, there was some really lovely feedback, and one of the standout ones for me was, generally I find Xenith trustworthy and reliable. I was really proud when I saw that comment, because we always say we need to be handling every situation with integrity. So for me, that's just confirming that our teams are doing that.